If you are someone who invests into IPO, or if you'd want to see which are the recently listed companies on the exchange and also bring it automatically inside this software, we have run the automation around this in the background process. But however, only if a system is switched on between 11 a.m. and until 8:30 in the night, any randomly it will randomly select any time slot and run the background process with the automation. However, if your system is not switched on during this time frame, you would not be able to automatically fetch the recently updated script master on the exchange. However, other way around would be to manually fetch the data and download in your database. So the firstly, we will have to go to this option in tools where we have a submenu called script master. In Script Master, we have an option to download Script Master. Once you come over here, you'll have to select the segment that you want to fetch the Script Master. Select the exchange in case of cash. And once you do that, simply hit Download Script Master button. Once you do that, as of date or yesterday's date, whatever and whichever company is listed on the exchange will be shown to you. If a company makes a name change, it is merged, demerged, delisted, recently been listed. Everything, whatever the master has been updated by the exchange, will be fetched directly into your system. Only thing you have to do is select this select all option from the bottom left and hit on save. Once you do this, your script master will be updated. Do not worry if you have generated anything manually in case of unlisted shares. Whatever masters are there as of date will be there. But if something is not there, it will automatically add to your system. So this is how we can update script masters manually.